Alright, so today I'm going to be showing you guys how to very quickly replace the valve cover gaskets in your Pontiac V8. Before the video started, I went ahead and I removed the old gasket material from the surface of the head, and I also wiped it down with a little bit of isopropyl alcohol. I'm going to wipe it down again because I just touched it with my oily hands, but we want to make sure we get a really good seal and we're not going to get any oil leaks. So you take your rag with isopropyl alcohol on it, and you just go ahead and work your way around just like this. Get as much of the material off as you can. Alright, it looks pretty good to me. Alright, so the next thing that you're going to want to do is make sure that your valve cover is really clean so you can accept the new gasket. I've got Felpro Professionals to install on this Pontiac V8. But the first thing that I'm going to do is actually take some Ultra Gray. I am not sponsored by Permatex. I'm going to make a nice soft bead on the surface of the valve cover here to give this something to stick to and add that extra layer of protection. So let's get to it. Alright, so once you get your Ultra Gray sort of spread out, I know this is really messy, but my Ultra Gray kind of froze in my car, so it was a lot harder to actually get it out. You want to take your valve cover gasket and just place it in the lips of your valve cover and get it so it slides in on those bolt holes and pinch it down like this. And then you are all set to go ahead and place this on the engine. Just like this. And then once you get your valve cover in place where you want it, get your bolts sort of fed through. I'm use the end of this to pull the gasket down to where I want it. And these bolts are 7/16, so once you get them on, they should go on quite easy. But you may have to use a deep socket to reach this one here because it is a little bit more stubborn than the rest of them. You want these snug, but not over snug, because you don't want to break the bolts off in your head. Just enough to get a good seal between the gasket maker, and the head of the valve cover. And if you repeat these same steps on the other side of your engine, you will have successfully installed your valve covers on your Pontiac V8.